Alright, picture this. You've got a bunch of voice memos or recordings, and the last thing you want is to spend hours transcribing them. Sound familiar? Well, what if I told you that you could turn those audios into text without typing a single word? And no, you don't need to be a tech genius for it. I mean, if I can do it, anyone can, right? Today, we're diving into the surprisingly simple world of no-code app development to build an audio-to-text transcription app using Glide apps. Whether you're an absolute beginner or you flirted with app building before, this guide is your ticket to becoming an app creator without the usual tech headaches. Picture this, an app that turns your mumbling, rambling voice memos into clear, concise text. Yes, we're about to build a no-code miracle worker. Ideal for creators, busy professionals, or anyone who talks faster than they type. Guilty as charged. Think about it. Meetings, brainstorming sessions, random thoughts while jogging, all neatly transcribed without you lifting a finger to type. And trust me, if I can turn my coffee-fueled rants into an organized text with this app, so can you. No coding, no fuss, just a bit of no-code magic. Ready to make your life easier and maybe a bit more comprehensible? Let's get started. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on building your own audio-to-text app using Glide. First, let's set the stage for our app-making adventure. Let's kick things off by creating a new app in Glide. It's like opening a fresh canvas for our digital masterpiece. Simply select New App and give your app a name that's catchier than my last attempt to go viral on TikTok, which wasn't very catchy, I'll be honest. Now choose your platform and select Glide Table as your data source. Think of Glide Tables as the backbone of our app, where all the magic data will be stored. Next, we'll clear out the default pages and tables. It's like clearing your workspace before you start cooking. Time to roll up our sleeves and dive into data. Click New Table to add our own. Here, configure your last column to store audio URLs. It's where our app will keep all of the audio files neatly organized. With our audio storage set, let's add a column for OpenAI's speech-to-text feature. This is where the magic happens, turning audio into text. Paste your OpenAI API key and link the audio data source to our audio URL column. Here is where we add a new table for those transcribed notes. It's like me trying to keep my thoughts organized. Ambitious, but necessary. Let's call this table Saved Notes. Time to tweak the default column, renaming it to Notes. Next, we add a column named Audio URL to link back to our audio. It's like leaving digital breadcrumbs, except I can't eat these ones. We'll set this column type to URL, because apparently Magic Audio Link isn't a valid data type. And there we have it, our data tables are prepped and ready. Switching gears now to the Layout tab, it's like playing digital dress-up, but with fewer fashion faux pas than my high school years. Add a new page for users to record audio and get transcribed notes. Glide is about combining functionality with aesthetic, like an architect designing a building that is both sturdy and stunning. Here we'll add the audio recorder for capturing voice notes, the audio component for playback, and the hint component to display our transcribed notes. It's like setting up an orchestra, each instrument playing its part in harmony. Let's bring these components to life by connecting them with our data. I'm configuring them to work together more smoothly than my last group project in college, which was a train wreck. Make sure the audio recorder saves audio to audio URL. It's like teaching your app to listen and remember every word. Then, ensure that the hint component always displays the latest transcription. We're almost there. Hit record to test your app directly on the canvas. If it works first time, I'll be more surprised than that time I won a game of Monopoly without flipping the board. Anyway, Glide lets you experience your creation in real time, a bit like tasting your dish as you cook. Make sure your audio is being recorded, transcribed, and displayed correctly. Adjust as needed, because in the world of app building, tweaking is the key to perfection. And there you have it, you've just created a simple yet powerful audio-to-text app. From recording voice notes to seeing them magically turn into text, your app is ready to make life easier. Now take this foundation and add your own flair. Extend your app, add more features, and watch as it evolves from a handy tool to a feature-rich powerhouse. And there it is, your own audio-to-text app. Perfect for capturing those brilliant ideas that usually visit you in the shower or during your third cup of coffee. I'm currently on my 6th. Now, instead of saying, "I wish I'd written that down," you'll say, "Oh wait, I did." All thanks to a bit of no-code magic and your newfound tech-savvy self. Who would have thought, right? Are you ready to master no-code and AI skills in just 100 days? Join our dynamic 100 days of no-code or 100 days of AI challenges. Every day you'll receive a 30-minute bite-sized lesson right in your inbox, completely free of charge and designed to be fun and impactful. Opt for no-code to learn how to create apps and software without writing code, ideal for budding creators and entrepreneurs. Or choose AI to explore practical uses of generative AI tools, enhancing your everyday life and work. Click the link to join now and start building leverage over your time, money, and ideas. Thank you for watching.